I made $10,000 on TikTok last month without ever showing my face. No dancing, no lip syncs, no awkward stares, just a faceless system that works. And today, I'm going to show you step by step how I turned TikTok into a six-figure business while staying completely anonymous. So, if you are ready to turn your creativity into cash, then hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Let's dive in. Finding the perfect niche. When most people start TikTok, they think it's all about luck. Post enough videos, one will go viral, and boom, you're rich. That's the fantasy. The truth? That doesn't work, especially if you're faceless. You can't just throw random clips out there and hope the algorithm blesses you. You need a niche that works without your face carrying it. I learned this the hard way. I almost jumped into motivational quotes like everyone else, but that space was crowded and payout rates were tiny. So I slowed down and spent 3 full weeks researching before I even posted one video. 3 weeks just studying niches, payouts, trends, and what faceless creators were actually doing right. That's when I found the sweet spot. AI storytelling mixed with product reviews. Weird combo, but perfect. Storytelling content on TikTok is growing insanely fast. 150% year over year. People binge it like Netflix. And product reviews? Those videos have insane conversion rates. When I combined the two, I had content that people wanted to watch and content that brands wanted to pay for. Here's the crazy part. Faceless content actually works better sometimes. Think about it. If I'm on camera, people notice my face, my clothes, my background, distractions everywhere. But when it's faceless, viewers lock in on the story. They lock in on the product. They actually listen. And that became my biggest advantage. You don't need your face. You just need value. Drop me a comment right now. What niche would you go for if you started faceless? I'll check them all out and tell you in the next video. The $50,000 month strategy. Everyone loves bragging about their viral video. Millions of views, thousands of likes. But here's the problem. Viral doesn't always mean money. I didn't want likes. I wanted income. So I built my TikTok strategy around stability, not hype. Here's how it broke down. Creator rewards gave me a solid base, but I wasn't dumb enough to rely only on that. On top of it, I stacked affiliate marketing, TikTok Shop, and digital products. One stream wasn't enough. I needed 4. A normal month for me looked like this: about $3,200 from creator rewards, $8,500 from affiliate marketing, $2,800 from TikTok Shop, and another $1,500 from digital products. That's over $16,000 without even showing my face. Stack that consistently, and I had my first $50,000 month. The secret wasn't just stacking income streams, it was also understanding the algorithm. TikTok changed. The platform doesn't care about 15-second clips anymore. It pays more for longer, engaging videos. I shifted to 90-second videos, and suddenly, my earnings per view tripled. And when TikTok dropped the additional rewards bonuses in 2025, that's when things went insane. Engagement became money. Comments, shares, rewatches, they all triggered bonus payouts. So while everyone else was chasing luck, I built a system that paid me daily. Viral fades. Systems last. You don't need one lucky video. You need a setup that pays even when you sleep. Quick question for you. Would you rather hit one viral video with no money, or have smaller videos that pay you every single month? Let me know in the comments. The AI tools that changed everything. Now, let's get real. Doing this faceless thing without the right tools? Impossible. You'll burn out fast. That's why I leaned hard on AI. My workflow became so smooth that that it felt like the content made itself. For visuals, I used Runway ML. It gave me clips that looked professional without needing me on camera. For voiceovers, I used 11 Labs. Trust me, these voices sound human. No robotic weirdness. People watching my videos had no clue it wasn't me. Scripts? That's where ChatGPT came in. I trained it with my own writing style. I gave it examples of my best-performing content until it could literally mimic my tone. Once that was done, I could crank out scripts daily without staring at a blank screen. Editing was quick thanks to CapCut. I made templates for everything. Product reviews got side-by-side comparisons. Tutorials had bold text overlays. Storytelling videos had dramatic backgrounds. I just swapped in the content and posted. But my secret weapon? Trend detection. I used AI to track Reddit, TikTok discovery, and Google Trends. I saw conversations before they blew up. So by the time other creators were posting, I was already out there with my video. That first mover advantage gave me way higher reach. Smash that like button if you also want to follow the same steps. Monetization without showing face. Money time. And here's where most people mess up. They rely on TikTok's old creator fund and then complain the payouts are trash. Yeah, they were trash. But the new rewards program? That changed everything. Videos over 1 minute were pulling $400 to $1,000 per million views. That's real money. But that wasn't enough for me. The real game was affiliate partnerships and TikTok Shop. I started reaching out to brands in my niche, and they loved that I was faceless. Why? No drama, no ego, just pure product focus. Brands knew people would actually pay attention to their products, not my face. TikTok Shop became my #1 moneymaker. Their commission rates are insane, 10% to 50%. Amazon's measly 2% looked like a joke. And the best part? Faceless product reviews converted higher. When you strip away the influencer vibes, viewers actually trust the review. I did close-ups, simple demos, and honest breakdowns. That's it, and the sales rolled in. Being faceless isn't a weakness. It's your strongest selling point. And don't forget to tell me what your biggest struggle is with monetizing TikTok right now. The content creation formula. After posting hundreds of videos, I started noticing a pattern. Every viral one followed the same formula. Hook in 3 seconds. Deliver value immediately. End with a reason to follow. That's it. Simple, but deadly effective. I combined trending sounds with my content. Tutorials with trending audio. Reviews layered over popular songs. Storytelling synced with viral tracks. TikTok's algorithm ate it up because it satisfied both the trending and original content boxes. But here's the secret. Consistency. I posted 1 to 3 times every single day. Always during peak hours when my audience was most active. No excuses. And I didn't post random stuff either. Every video had a purpose. Tutorials built trust. Reviews made sales. The story series kept people coming back. That's when I found my biggest growth hack. Series-style content. Instead of one-off videos, I made Part 1, Part 2, Part 3. Viewers hated missing the next part, so they followed and came back. My retention shot up by 340%. Suddenly, I wasn't just getting views. I was building an audience that stuck around. It's not luck. It's a formula you can repeat over and over. Scaling to 6 figures. Once I figured this out, scaling was easy. The beauty of faceless content is freedom. I could test anything without hurting my brand. One day storytelling, the next day product reviews. If something flopped, no one cared. I just pivoted. My 6-figure moment came when I stopped treating TikTok like a side hustle. I treated it like a business. I upgraded my tools. I invested in better editing. I planned content like a pro. Every video was mapped out, optimized, and designed to hit. TikTok became my engine. It drove traffic to my YouTube channel, where I made longer videos. It built my email list, where I sold digital products. It funneled people to affiliate offers. TikTok wasn't the whole business. It was the spark that powered everything else. And staying faceless? Honestly, it gave me more freedom than I ever imagined. No one knew me on the street. No one judged me. But online, I was hitting millions of people a month. My system kept earning money even when I wasn't working. Less than 10 hours a week now covers a business that pays me like a CEO. So the question is, are you going to keep scrolling? Or are you finally going to start building a faceless TikTok account that pays you every single month? Smash that like, hit subscribe. And in my next video, I'll reveal the exact 3-part script template I use to make every video go viral. If you skip it, you're literally leaving money on the table. So subscribe now, or you'll miss it.